to Naija Daughter Tv. Now who the Zuzu? Now who they? Now who the runner? Now Dyna Ekwueme the runner for this society now. No, now be me the runner. Now Dyna the chester. Now she the runner. Hey, my people, welcome to Naija Daughter TV. If today the first time of coming across this girl, do well to join this beautiful family. I appreciate all my returning, all my subscribers. I'm loyal, I'm humble. All my mommies, all my daddies, my sister, my auntie, my uncle. Now, say I'm loyal and humble. I appreciate you now all. May the good Lord bless you guys for your support, for your love. I appreciate you guys all. Yes, today I bring our sister Dyna Ekwueme to the building. Yes, I bring Dyna Ekwueme to the house. Last night, Tuesday, I see say my sister alert show. I run. I say, hey, our sister, our runaway sister. When you don't rock, come up for street. Now I click on, now our sister started to throw away and give us woto. She said, I get what to tell. I said, okay, my sister, I'm here. I got what to tell. My sister, I'm here. I'm happy to see you. I'm happy to, watch you live and direct. Now she open mouth. So now she says, sisiyemmie. She said, now who they say me and not be, we not be the same level again. She said, me and not be the same level again. Say sisiyemmie right now for TikTok. Okay, me why I can't write you for TikTok because I get small subscriber. You not noticing me. You not noticing me, Abi. You not noticing me. No worry. Me why I write you for TikTok. Encourage you. Say don't worry, my sister, my beautiful Rita. You will be okay. You not noticing me, but you notice sisiyemmie. Sisiyemmie, thank you for asking about our sister Dyna Ekwueme. Thank you very much. And Dyna Ekwueme still talk about people when they wash her 30 or 40, now that they wash her packs. Say she dey loyal. If you dey loyal, you're supposed to still dey loyal to me. If you dey loyal. Hey, my people. Our sister talk a lot on that live stream. About that live stream, I'll do 2 videos, different parts. But this video, I go like me una here because I don't want to make the video too long, may not today boring. At least now watch this one and watch another one also, okay? First of all, I would like me una hear the part because I record her when she dey talk before me go chook my own inside. Let's go there.
I have to go back to Costa Rica was when I saw sisiyemmie's message. Sisiyemmie, yes, 900,000 subscribers, biggest YouTuber in Nigeria. Message me on TikTok. I shock. I had to clean my. It's me now. I don't rub shoulders with small YouTubers like you people. What are you saying? Sisiyemmie DM'd me. I was like, what a wow. I shock. What you do, you don't know who you may be inspiring. You don't know who you may be watching. I definitely know that this Nigerian YouTube space can feel isolated, especially, if you're just starting, if you're just trying to navigate, if you're just trying to get ahead, and it seems like algorithm know they work for you. But believe me, just keep doing what you're doing. You don't know who is watching. That's all I can say. For sisiyemmie to DM me, I felt seen. I felt loved. Like it really shocked me. But yeah, that was really kind of her. That was really kind of all of you who sent messages, who I'm ready.
See,
the thing that I'm going through, the thing that I'm struggling with, the thing that I feel like made me take a break. It's been lingering for the past 9 months. I would say 10 months now. It's been lingering for 10 months now. My breaking point was December. December was my break. Like, I've never cried so much in my life. December was my breaking point. But because of relocation, I put this first, which, looking back now.
Until now here, many of us, when they say Dyna Ekwueme location, no the location, not be because of location. She don't already they pass that crisis before the location. Because I remember Dyna said 10 months. Dyna never spent 10 months. Or maybe the tension of relocation make her to broke down. I hear when she say, whether you be YouTuber, you not be YouTuber, anything when you they do, be consistent and do it well. You don't know who they watch you. You don't know who they the background they watch you. Just being you, focus and concentrate. Don't let anything to distract you. If sisiyemmie, it can ask about our sister. I know say Wudumaya when get 1 million plus. They don't eat for the same plate. They don't sit down for the same room. They don't do everything. But she appreciates sisiyemmie. Ask me why. Because she stay out of social media. But sisiyemmie notice and say, Dyna not they upload video. Then he do where to chat and Dyna up. Thank you very much. Meanwhile, I go YouTube, why they grow. Where they grow. a lot of work in the background. You will edit. I know say sisiyemmie not the support, but is it the support? If you not the support, I tell no say and Dyna Ekwueme they accept on YouTube. Those big people they say they support they accept, but Dyna Ekwueme say she and they not be level again. I don't want to talk that side to make that side hold his side well. Let me go about another one. Now, still now say the video was too long, almost 7 minutes now. Let's hear another one when she talk about, when she come out, when she still talk about children for school. Let's hear before we go deliberate on that part also.
My country, when I say G7, the big seven, UK, US, Germany, you know them likes, Canada, Australia, this video is for you. If you have a child in the system, when your child comes back, you have to go through personal assessment to know what your child learned in school. You must. That's your prerogative. If you've migrated, if you're African, and you want your child to still have those African values, I know it can really be hard in a system where you look left, you look right, now shower vibes. By the 1st of June, the US will hit the death.
That part when Dyna Ekwueme talk about, so say when your child come back from school, try to investigate. Mostly when we did this abroad. That point, I pick on strong. If now we go watch and I say I try to type. I pick that part strong. Why I pick that part strong? May God help our children. May God protect our children. May God guide our children. Yes, not by our power, by the Almighty God who bless us with those children. It will help us to take care of our children. That is true. This world where we did now, it's only God who will take care of our children. Because we don't know where this world they go again. How can a 6 years old pikin, primary school, primary 1, primary 2, primary 3, primary 4 self, they are too early to teach them about sex, about all those man and woman, all those I no one go deep now. Understand if you they are abroad. They're going to teach them all those things. They are too young. For me, they are too young. I know say that they are abroad. What our sister tried to talk, me, I understand that part. If you are a mother, I will not just knock out to you. They say little words, now they will tell person when you get sex, when you reach inside your belly, it go be big something. When your children come back for school, particular something there when they teach them. If you there Europe, America, UK, all those kind of our cycle of abroad, particular something there. Dyna Ekwueme mention. I say if you see one for you. She even see one that they show one cartoon on the mind she when even they Saudi Arabia. That they try to show an quick offer. How can your child come back from school? Then you investigate, you talk to her. Then later you open and tell you, say, see what they teach them today. Omo, the day I hear that word, I broke down as a mother. In fact, it be like they pour cold water from my head to my toe. I say, what is this? Where are we going? I remember when they grow. Me, I not really go school. I not really go deep for school, but I reach secondary school. Though I not finish them. All those biology, did they not teach me? Oh, because for our side, you need to reach SS1. SS1, SS2, SS3. Now SS3 that they read the open now well. People when go school if I did lie. But now I was shocked, shocktalized. Primary school, primary 1 pikin. That they teach them. Not be the good side or the other side. That they teach them. When Dyna they talk for her live stream yesterday, I was just, I even tried to type, crack my brain, type. If I say they hit me, boom. My people, we can't do it with our strength. But with God Almighty, we go do it. Never you lose hope. Never you give up. We don't know where we really go. We don't know where this world is turning to. You fit go in school, go talk, say, now let your child there. What do you want to do? You don't get anything you will feed do. Then we'll put everything for God's hand. That part when Dyna talk, 100% true. I get people in this school. I confirm her. That part when she talk about ash. I don't understand though, my people. May God help our children. Teaching 6 years old speaking. Teaching 7 years old speaking. Where blood never dry, hair never strong. Where my people, If you never watch that live stream, go watch am. Please, if you are a mother, you are a parent, you are a father, try dey close to your children. Play love with them. Try to dey close to them. You know, if they come back from school, play with them. Ask them wetin dey teach them. The good one, take am, tell them say make they, keep it up. The bad one, pick am and put am for one place. You understand? There is bad and good. You know wetin fit your child. Me, I know wetin fit my child. Everybody know wetin fit their child. No, don't beat your pikin. No abuse your child. No talk to am bad. Correct them with love. Correct them with hug. Wetin they teach them, you know as you go take handle am. Na true Dyna Ekwueme talk for that one. No, me I witness am. Now I say me I come tell my people say that particular one when Dyna, in fact, it ring bell. Gbagaun, gbagaun, gbagaun. I confirm am na true. Oh. From this my house, my pikin dey go school. I confirm am. Me na person, I be mother when they like to chat with my children. They come back from school. I bath them. And here I always the day when they will come back. Sometimes maybe I do something. I go chat with them. And when I dey bath them, I go chat with them. My daughter must tell me, my son never put today. This is who beat me. Always try chat with your child. Always try. Mostly when we dey abroad. Please, mothers, wetin Dyna talk, particular this aspect. Please, no use am play. Be wise and be smart. Whether black, white, let's be smart and wise. Yes, because we never know where we dey go. Now this one I get to talk. If you are a content creator or you dey work in any place, you don't know who they watch you. Focus. Be wise. Do what you know how to do better. Okay? If sisiyemmie can notice, say Dyna Ekwueme on the street, you don't know who they watch you. I don't know who they watch me. Me and you dey here. We dey do our thing. We dey say struggle YouTube algorithm never pick us. You don't know who be the big YouTuber when just like your vibe when she dey watch you. No be say they be your God, but at least somebody to notice you say you know the street now big something. Okay? Let's be who we be and let's be ourselves. Okay? Let's be ourselves. One day God will answer our prayer. Dyna Ekwueme, I send you love. I send you hug. I send you kicks. For me, I dey notice about your accent also. Dyna, you are good in this field. You are good to react. You are good to bring topic and we deliberate on it. I believe say na that part you dey try to one shift to. You dey think and say your audience no like am. Never you think say your audience no like am. People don't already love you. I first talk for my video because watching that your video yesterday, you dey always dey go TikTok. For me, I dey look and say you no fit do vlog. You no fit do anything because normal before you dey travel, you go do pedicure and manicure, abi finger, hair, nothing like that for Saudi Arabia. My beautiful sister, watch Summer Aku. I believe you will still do it the way Summer Aku they do am. Okay, your feet still dey that area. You dey talk politics, you dey talk a lot of things, you dey bring things out, whether na truth, whether na lie, but you get the vibe. You get the vibe to know hold your audience. You get the vibe to communicate. You get the vibe to talk. That part in a see your feed. No, they say you want go break. For me, I no look and say na break. You they look at like say if I do video, na sit down talk video. For me, I love your sit down talk video. Pass where you they do all those vlogs. Me, I tell you the truth. Yes, I know that some people subscribe because of pregnancy vibe, dance vibe. Thousands of people are still there when they love you, love your sit down talk. Please gather yourself. You they do research now. You they read. Gather yourself. They breathe. Then they come. We are here to download it. Okay? Not they say you know. Because you dey do research, as you dey do research, sit down, do your video, put your wig, do your makeup. If you do your makeup, if you not do makeup like me, sit down, put your camera, film, edit and publish, and without you not publish your children, do all those things. React to things when you dey see for street, things when you know say you like, you fit do, react to it. People, your audience, they will wash and clean the pot, clean the plate for you. Yes, now this one I still get to tell you, okay? May we meet for the next one. Yes, so may we meet for the next one. My beautiful people, I go meet you in my next video. If you never subscribe if you like this house. Help me to share, tell your sister, tell your brother, tell everybody. Help me to share this video, okay? Give me this video thumbs up. Drop your comment in the comment section. Let me go to go bow for the result, nothing to discuss, cause I win by default.